shit. Why'd you get... Absolutely nobody in front of you. You didn't have to go to the left lane. Stop sign. And a stop sign.
Two hearts, one mind. Oh baby, you're my kind.
Hey, we gonna stop anybody? Anybody gonna stop here? Jeep going straight from the turn-only lane. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. You're in the wrong lane, ain't you? Go, you pain in the ass. Go! Pull up! Idiot. No turn on red! Oh, nice, nice. Yep, you're an asshole. There's someone coming? There's someone coming? Fuck you, dude. Alright, wait. Hey, look at that asshole left. Yep. A Camry! Of course it's a Camry! Do I smell Q jumping? Because I don't see a blinker. What do you do? Hey. Because howdy. That was a stop sign. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Yeah, you didn't stop. Not how slow you went. That was not a stop. Four-way stop. I don't think you're going. Yes, I called that one already, guys. Ugly shoe-shaped, boot-shaped Volvo. Make America green again. Really? Really? You blow more smoke than a coal-fired power plant, dude. And I'm pretty sure you're making an illegal... Yeah, this is a totally illegal turn, minivan person. Yeah! Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Take that a little wider, dummy.
"20 minutes later."
That guy is still in the fire lane. Hey, stop before you turn. Count the minutes to see how long that guy's been there. She's not going to stop either. Nope. Nope, she didn't. All those stickers on your car make you an annoying person. I don't care what they say. Secondly, your goddamn phone is blocking your view. Move it down. Hey, you're not supposed to be in that lane, Mr. Dump Truck. Yeah, he's way too close to that pickup. Ooh, are we? Who we are? We are L&L Services, Malden, Mass. Yeah, and the pickup driver's giving him a stink eye. Hell's this? Yeah, that was nice. Jesus. Fuck you, Grandma. Oh, good move, BMW. Okay. Stop for the stop sign, Mr. Pickup. Stop for the stop sign, Mr. Pickup. Yeah, stop for the stop sign, Miss Corolla. You didn't stop over there already. No, you didn't stop. No. And stop here. Don't roll up behind me, mister. No, he didn't. What do you know? But the RAV4 rolled the other stop. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. The fuck are you doing? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, God damn it. Yes, man, there's someone in the crosswalk. Don't mind him, huh? The hell are you beeping for? What the hell are you doing? Oh, good, just... Yeah, start walking, old man, before the fucking light turns. Jesus Christ. Nice job parking on the sidewalk, douche. It's FedEx for you, though. Gangzilla. Don't turn. There's no left turn out of that street, lady. There's no left turn out of that street, lady. People don't listen to me. What is that? There's no left turn into that. No. No left turn into that gas station either. I'm the smartiest and bestiest driver around here, and no one listens to me. And I stop. And I look, and there's no one coming. Slow the fuck down, lady. Yeah, thanks. Hey, that's a stop sign. Totally rude, that stop sign. Yeah, nobody wants to stop here, I guess, right? Right. No. Jesus, take the fucking side of my car off, you shit. Three assholes, four assholes, yeah, no. Five assholes. Stop sign.
In the 60s and that's what cooled on Monday with temperatures in the 40s.
Masshole left, Subaru, of course it's a masshole left. Come on. Did she roll a stop behind me? Stop before you turn. And the minivan Sienna Toyota runs the stop. Stop sign. I think he ran the stop. Well, you definitely ran the stop. Watch this one run the stop too. Yep. Another one? Yep, that's 4. And 100% of those cars just ran the stop. They had a bunch of Cremo stuff at Rite Aid. Yeah! Jesus Christ. Stop before you turn. There's a masshole left. What about it's a Toyota? Hey, it's a Camry. Shocked. Thoroughly shocked. Alright. You're in a turn lane, dum-dum. So turn. Sit there with the blinker on and not turn. Brilliant.
Stamp with the decision on whether immigrants could become permanent U.S. residents.
Yeah, stop, will you? Thank you. You gonna stop? No! You ran a red light. Red light, run a Denali. We gonna stop for the stop sign? Not a chance. Because Lexus. Yeah, wrong lane. Q jumping. Again, Q jumping.
Playing Shangri-La.
Oh, that's what happened. Wow. I didn't even notice. Wah, wah, wah. The Subaru. Oh yeah! Yep. Yep, that was good. That was a stop sign. Yep. You're kind of like an asshole. Oh, was that an exit dive? I think it was an exit dive. Don't think it will. Get off my tail. Thank you.
Now the WBZ 4-day AccuWeather forecast. We are starting to look pretty good.
Get off of my tail!
Feel comfortable. 47 degrees right now in Boston. We'll be up by 50 for the high for the afternoon. And it may even feel a bit warmer than that because we're just going to get warmer as we head right through the weekend. Even tonight, we are pretty much going to stay exactly where we're at as we make our way
Asshole.
through the afternoon.
They believe that included embassies, and not to that
Fuck.
clarified why lawmakers said they were never told that embassies were specifically being targeted. This is their
That was. I guess that was a whatever. Right on red. Stop before you turn. Use a blinker. Whatever. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Try stopping. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Trucker. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No turn on red, Lexus. Oh shit, I can't see this fucking trailer. Fudge. Hey, it's one lane back there, Honda.